Picture this, a fleet of Viking longships cutting through the tempestuous North Atlantic. These Norse explorers, driven by a mix of ambition and wanderlust, braving the unforgiving waters in search of uncharted territories. And then, after weeks of treacherous voyage, a sight to behold, a land veiled in mist and mystery. Iceland, a canvas of contrasts where ice-capped peaks stand guard over fiery volcanoes. The Golden Viking era, a time when these intrepid souls, against all odds, carved out a life amidst nature's extremes. From its Viking origins to its modern-day allure, Iceland remains a land of unparalleled mystique. Reykjavik. Our journey begins in Reykjavik, Iceland's beating heart. This isn't your typical capital city. Oh no, it's a blend of contrasts, where traditional charm meets avant-garde flair. From its vibrant street art to its innovative architecture, Reykjavik pulses with creativity. It's a city that dares to be different, yet remains rooted in its rich cultural heritage. But perhaps what defines Reykjavik best is its undeniable warmth, not just from its geothermal pools, but from its people. Genuine, welcoming, and fiercely proud of their Icelandic spirit. Reykjavik, where our journey into the land of ice and fire truly begins. A city that invites you to explore, to discover, and to fall in love with the magic of Iceland. Geysers and Geothermal. After the eclectic pulse of Reykjavik, our journey takes a primal turn. Welcome to the raw, untamed energy of Iceland's geysers and geothermal wonders. These aren't just hot springs or bubbling mud pots. No, these are Earth's expressions of fury and passion, reminders that beneath our feet, the planet is very much alive. Navigating these landscapes feels like stepping onto another planet. The air is thick with sulfur, the ground quivers beneath you, and yet there's a strange allure that's impossible to resist. Ah, Strokkur, Mother Nature's own fireworks. Every eruption, a breathtaking reminder of Iceland's geothermal might. And then there's the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal oasis where the waters promise healing and rejuvenation. Here, amidst the steam and silica, it's easy to lose track of time, to forget the world beyond these azure waters. Iceland's geysers and geothermal wonders are a testament to the Earth's power and beauty. A place that humbles, awes, and reminds us of the incredible forces that shape our world. Canyons and glaciers. From the pulsating heart of Reykjavik, through the steam and fury of the geysers, our Icelandic Odyssey now ventures into a world of ice-carved majesty. Glaciers and canyons, nature's masterpieces, shaped over millennia, each crevice and crag telling a tale of relentless perseverance and transformative power. Walking atop a glacier is like stepping into a timeless realm. The ice beneath your feet is ancient, a frozen chronicle of the Earth's ever-changing dance with the elements. And then, there are the canyons. Deep, mysterious, and utterly captivating. Here, the landscape is in constant flux, carved and shaped by the relentless force of nature's elements. A testament to the power of water, wind, and time. Its beauty is both haunting and exhilarating, a symphony of nature's forces. Iceland's canyons and glaciers, a realm where time stands still and nature's artistry is on full display. A place that beckons the adventurous spirit, inviting us to witness the Earth's ever-evolving masterpiece. Volcanoes and Aurora Borealis. As our Icelandic journey draws to a close, we find ourselves amidst two of nature's most mesmerizing spectacles: the fiery embrace of volcanoes and the ethereal dance of the Aurora Borealis. Volcanoes, the Earth's venting fury, remind us of Iceland's tumultuous relationship with the elements. These fiery giants, both feared and revered, have shaped this land and its people in profound ways. From the rugged basalt cliffs to the surreal landscapes of cooled lava fields, the remnants of past eruptions are everywhere. Each rock, each crevice, tells a tale of Iceland's tumultuous relationship with its subterranean forces. Iceland's volcanoes, a testament to the Earth's restless spirit, a reminder of the fragile balance between creation and destruction. From the fiery depths of Iceland's volcanoes, we now turn our gaze upwards, to the celestial dance that has captured the imagination of humanity for centuries, the Aurora Borealis. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, as they're scientifically known, are nature's own light show. A symphony of colors that transforms the night sky into a mesmerizing canvas of light and shadow. In Iceland, the aurora takes on a special significance. Here, amidst the glaciers and volcanoes, the lights seem to resonate with the very heartbeat of the Earth, a celestial echo of the island's geothermal and volcanic forces. And so, our expedition draws to a close, but the echoes of Iceland's enchantment linger in the air, in the soul-stirring landscapes, and in the timeless tales that have been woven into the fabric of this extraordinary land. From the vibrant streets of Reykjavik to the primal forces of its geysers, from the majestic glaciers to the fiery embrace of its volcanoes, Iceland has revealed itself as a land of contrasts, a realm where the elements dance in a ceaseless ballet of creation and destruction. Iceland, a journey into the land of ice and fire, a voyage of discovery, of wonder, and of connection to the very essence of our planet. Until we meet again on the next Expedition Odyssey, may your journeys be filled with adventure, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown.